Welcome back to my channel. Today, I have a special unboxing and review for you all. I recently received the official unboxing video of newly released Vivo S16 and I can't wait to share my thoughts on it with you. So, let's start by taking a look at the packaging. The box has a sleek and modern design, with the glossy phone's name and without any images prominently displayed on the front. When you lift the lid open, you only see the phone's back, where the cameras are. Presentation aside, the phone comes bundled with more than just the bare necessities. You get a 66 watts fast charger and a cable to go with it. That's pretty standard. Taking the phone out, I have to say that it feels really nice in the hand. The body is made of glass and metal, giving it a premium feel. It will weigh roughly 183 grams. It also features a unique, aura light, ring in the rear camera bump. The screen is also really impressive, with a 6.78-inch 120Hz Full HD Plus of 2400 by 1080 pixels AMOLED display that looks beautiful and vibrant. With a 360Hz touch sampling rate is supported by the screen. Moving on to the camera, the Vivo S16 has a triple camera setup on the back and a single front-facing camera. The main camera has a 64-megapixel resolution, which should make for some really high-quality photos. It has 8-megapixels ultra-wide lens and 2-megapixels macro lens that we've seen in most smartphones these days. Now let's talk about performance. The Vivo S16 is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 875G processor and comes with 8GB and 12GB of RAM variants, which should make for smooth and efficient operation. Alright, so let's dive into the battery life on the Vivo S16. The Vivo S16 comes with a 4600 mAh battery, which is pretty standard for a phone of this size. In my experience, it can last a full day of moderate use without any problems. But if you do find yourself running low on battery, the Vivo S16 also comes with fast charging capabilities. The phone comes with 66 watts fast charging adapter. As a result, it can be charged from 0% to 50% in a little less than 19 minutes, which is really convenient if you are in a hurry. Overall, I'm really impressed with the Vivo S16. It's a great mid-range phone with some high-end features that make it stand out in its price range. The device will come in white, cyan green, and black color options. I definitely recommend checking it out if you're in the market for a new phone in China. If you enjoy my videos and want to see more, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and turn on the notifications to stay updated on my latest uploads. Don't forget to share my videos to show your support, and feel free to follow me on Twitter and other social media platforms for additional content. I appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more exciting videos in the future. See you in the next one.